to fix Scribd downloads not working on account. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is first of all ensure that the Scribd or Everland app has storage access permissions on your phone's settings, right? So you can simply go back to the settings of your phone, and then from there you can scroll all the way down, then you can tap on apps, and on your apps here, what you're going to do is simply search for Scribd or the Everland app and then tap on it and make sure that it has the storage access enabled, toggle button enabled, permission on your phone, right? So after doing that, you can now try to clear all of the app cache. So in your settings, simply get into your phone settings, then from here go back, then get to the general, then from here tap on iPhone storage, and then keep on scrolling until you find Scribd application, tap on it, and then from there you'll actually be able to find the offload option, tap on it again, offload the application, tap on reinstall in order to reinstall it back on your phone, and like that you'll be able to clear all of the app cache and see if it has been fixed. If not, then you can confirm your membership status is active and it is not on hold. And after doing all of that, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to fix that Scribd downloads not working on account.